It isna, Jean, thy bonny face, by Robert Burns. It isna, Jean, thy bonny face, nor shape that I admire, although thy beauty and thy grace might weel a walk desire. Something in ilka part o' thee to praise, to love I find, but dear as is thy form to me, still dearer is thy mind. Nae mair ungenerous wish I hae, nor stronger in my breast, than if I canna mak thee say, at least to see thee blessed. Content am I, if heaven shall give but happiness to thee, and as with thee I'd wish to live, for thee I'd bear to die.